Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. Without big fuss, Huawei has just released a new MateBook. This is a Huawei MateBook 13-inch version 2019 edition. No X, no Pro, just the standard MateBook. I got here the hardware specs. This is what's available in Europe. So we don't get an Nvidia GPU unit here. No MX150 for the European market. Only the standard 620 HD graphic unit that's within the Intel, that comes with the Intel CPUs. We got two versions, a smaller one with an i5 8265U, so a quad core, and an i7 with 8565U, a little bit more oomph. RAM is always 8 GB, but the storage option differ. For 1,000 euros, you get the i5 with 256 GB of storage, and for 1,200 euros, this is the version I got here, you get the i7 with 250 GB of storage. So let's see what's in the box. First of all, I see a little piece of paper, so we get our starter user book, we get the device itself, and I guess we get some, again we get the USB Type-C hub, because this device comes with not really much of ports. So let's first of all grab the device. You can have every color as long as it's gray, space gray. We get, so let's turn, and you know the Huawei logo does not glow, but you can feel it. Yes, it's a little bit edgy. So on the, if this is the front, on the left side of the device, you get a USB Type-C port for charging, a headphone jack, a microphone, or maybe this is also just an LED, a charging LED. Nothing on the front, and another USB Type-C port on the right side of the device. Nothing here. Fan and speaker on the downside, and that's it. Let's open it up. There we go. We got a glossy screen, which is no touch screen. Let's see, we got a fingerprint ID sensor. Let's see if we got a little bit power here on the device already. Does not look set. Let's see, let's push it. Oh yes, we got a little bit of power. What about the keyboard? It's chiclet keyboard. It's nice typing on the device, on the keys. The travel. Oh, the keyboard is a little bit bending in the middle, but still nice first impression here. We get backlight. Yes, we got a backlight. So let's turn on the screen brightness to, it's not yet, to 100%. Okay, first impression here in terms of screen brightness, it's sufficient, or this can be sufficient. What about storage? We got 45 GB or 35 GB still available from our 80 GB partition here, and the other one 381 on the other side. So this is standard for Windows, I guess. So where's the webcam? Do we got a hidden webcam beneath the key like on the X Pro? No, we don't. The webcam is just normal in the frame in the middle, and the frame or the border surrounding the screen is a little bit thicker than on the X series, but still small frame. This is something I can live with. It's a 2K display and an aspect ratio of 2:3. So this is not our typical 16:9 notebook display here. What about the trackpad? Nice and big. First impression, yes, nice mouse movements here. We can click, no problems here. Okay, multi-touch of course. So the first impression of the device. Build quality, of course, this design looks a little bit like a MacBook. Yes. On terms of weight, we get 1.3 kilograms. So this is nothing, by far not as light as a sub notebook like a 12-inch MacBook. No, this is, for example, just maybe not exactly, but this feels like if you're carrying around a 13-inch MacBook Pro with you. So this is nothing really light here. This is a normal notebook. Yes, it looks slim, but it's still, I wouldn't call it heavy, but still it's a normal notebook. So let's see what do we get in the box. First of all, we get a USB Type-C adapter hub. So we get out of one USB Type-C port, we get a normal USB-A port. We get, again, a USB Type-C port, VGA and an HDMI. This is nice because this is already standard and you don't have to buy it for €100 or so. We get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. And we get our big Huawei charger, also with one USB Type-C port. And an output of 20 volt 3.25 amperes. So this is a 65 watt charger. So this is huge. This is nice. What else? We get, of course, a starter guide and quick start guide. I see. So we get some stickers. No stickers with the device. No warranty card. And just a piece of paper telling us how to press buttons and which button does what. So this is it. Keep in mind, you pay €1,000 at least. This is a €1,200 version. I'm a little bit skeptical because now the X and the X Pro from last year should have dropped in price, and I would say the other devices should be the better devices, at least the X Pro, but of course we will figure this out. For a price of at least €1,000, I would assume this would have to have much more features, or maybe this device will have a fantastic battery life. But I've already heard from some American journalists that the battery life was not that great. So it's not a heavy work machine. Oh, no, it can be a heavy work machine if you only do CPU heavy tasks, but you don't get the gaming GPU. You don't get Thunderbolt 3 in this device, and you don't have a lot of ports. And if the battery life is not that high, I'm thinking this device maybe is not that well priced. This is the thing. I'm really skeptical about this device. But of course, we'll figure this out. I will keep you posted in the next days and weeks. This is it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.